Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to do a quick sketch of a hand holding a pair of scissors. So what we are exploring to do is looking at a scissors like that. So the thumb usually goes through here, so let's see something along that line. So this is the more challenging option here because we have the scissors with a smaller handle or the ring in which either like the middle finger goes or one or two fingers go, but right here we have this one in which usually we end up holding the scissors like that. So we have cascading fingers there, and we'll see if we can do some justice to this particular hand posture. And here we will put down the hand somewhere here. We'll put down the scissors somewhere there. So the handles will probably go like that. And the hand will shift a little bit over here. So that is the palm view we are talking about. And we will get started. So what we are looking to do is first put down so that is the thumb handle part like that, and let's set them apart a bit and go into the bean-shaped, slender but larger, it's actually a squashed bean-shaped handle for the fingers. Now the reason why we did this is because now we can work our way into these compartments, I guess, handles. So the butt of the hand is for sure going to end up like here. And what we can do already is that the easy way to start is with the thumb in this case. So the thumb will be here. We will have 1, 2, and 3, and there's the butt of the hand and the round of the hand. So everything is like converging also because we are holding the scissors in the hand like collapses like that. So the skin and the anatomy like really collapses together. So this is an easy way also to go about it. Just have the two lobes like really going in to each other, and then there's the thumb that'll go through the handle, and accordingly we begin with an arc right here. So to make this easy, we put down handles to start. We put down that handle. We put on the handles, and now we put down the thumb and the coinciding two lobes for the palm or the butt of the hand, and then we have this shape emanating right from here. The easiest way is just to have it start from here and do that, and then we might like change things as we go along, but for now we have a decent enough framework to go with this. So the index finger, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now how this is going to go down is that we're going to have the index finger go here, the middle finger 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, second finger, and then 1, 2, 3. We have to have the objective of curling these fingers like right inside here somewhere. So of course we'll like shift and we will move things as we go. I would like to grab a pen for this exercise. So thumb, right there, going, let's have that part of the thumb also cover the handle there. And then of course we have the joining skin. You can put that out of the way as well, actually. So that much we have going into the framework. And then we, if you check out our other videos, we always advocate doing sausages for the fingers. Let's actually grab a different color for that. So we have 1, 2, 3 for the index finger. We have 1, 2, nice and big, 3. That is for the middle finger. Right next to it, 1, and we've already like begun shifting things a little bit here because I think I drew it too close. The knuckle, that knuckle will come here now. This knuckle will be here. So 1, 2, and 3, and that knuckle will of course move here too, going pretty much right against the skin, the folded skin here, like that. And 1, 2, and 3. So this has a semblance of fingers. There, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that when we put down the frame with a black marker, this will be more evident. So there is the index finger. There's the creases going into the next, the middle finger, and through the handle we are able to see that much. There's the nail, hint of the finger lines. We have the other finger next to it, and again the curvature is like this way, so nails going in that way. And then of course we have the little guy right there. There's the folding skin. Slice the thumb out as well. Now what we can do is to make this more accurate. It's a bit of a pickle there, but we will try to make this as simple as possible. We're going to bulk up. We will bulk up the fingers so that we can see them more easily. The thumb for that matter as well. So the components that are visible with the handle or like through the handle are put down right there. And what we can do is now, to make this more accurate, grab this marker here and have the handles work around, since we are not really modeling this on anything. So let's have the handle thickened up right there to that point. And handle made a little thicker, so right there. And we are pretty much in business. We're going to get rid of, we'll try to get rid of some pencil work there so that we can see this a little more clearly. We have to mention that this was a request from one of our awesome viewers, one of our awesome subscribers, and it's a very, very good request in terms of exploration of a very essential part of anatomy that sometimes we might miss. So let's say that if I was a crude scissors maker, I would probably go around and put the head of the scissors like that. So what we're going to do is to make this a little more easier to decipher. Let's say that we're holding scissors with black handles, and the black handles going right around the fingers like that. Once again, I mean, you could Google images and you will probably, or you could have somebody hold a pair of scissors in this particular format, like in this particular posture, because this is the more challenging one in our estimate. Everything else that we will explore down the line will be easier. And of course, if we have like some mind into just putting some crosshatch, we could just put a crosshatch wherever the shadows and the light source meet to cast their different tones. So there we have it, a quickly done exercise, putting down a hand holding a pair of scissors, and of course this particular pair of scissors, and we will be exploring different angles, like showing the other side as well, but this is one quick exercise in getting around it. So we do put out content pretty much every day, so please do subscribe and keep in touch, and till the next video, have yourself a wonderful day.